It's finally here, stabilizer for your vegan whipped cream. If you are like me and you're having a hard time getting a certain brand of vegan whipping cream to hold up inside of your cakes, then you are going to love this. So here I am back again with a whipped cream fix that will give any brand or recipe for vegan whipped cream a little boost of stability. It's really easy to make, and all you need is some powdered agar and water, and just bring that up to a rolling boil and then pour it into a heat-proof glass or a bowl and let it set. That's it. It sets to this really rubbery disc that can then be stored for months and months, and it's ready for whenever you need it. I do like to make this bulk recipe so that all I have to do is remelt a small amount of it when I'm ready to whip my cream. But of course, you can also just make a single recipe every time you're ready to make your whipped cream. I am adding it hot to the whipping cream, and it is really important that you have a powerful mixer with a balloon whip attachment, because if you know anything about agar, as soon as it hits anything that's cold, it immediately sets, and so you don't want chunks of agar throughout your whipped cream. So by using the high-speed action of a stand mixer, preferably with the balloon whip attachment, and adding it in hot, you're going to have perfectly smooth, firm peaked whipped cream, ready for all of your cakes and pastries. So grab the recipe at Gretchen'sVeganBakery.com, and be sure to actually click through to watch the entire whipped cream video that I made, where I was comparing all the brands and just talking about vegan whipped cream in depth, because not all brands need to be stabilized. So that one's really worth a watch, and I have all the links for everything below this video in the description box. And by the way, I also have a homemade recipe for vegan whipped cream for those who can't get these store brands. All right, everyone, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.